Tanya, do it.
Hey, my name is Tania Van Bergen. I'm here with Javier, who's behind the camera, and he's like helped me out and showed me how to roll, which I finally accomplished after surviving cancer so my would put me to sleep. Thank you.
Now.
We're here at the Garfield Pool. You can see kayaks behind me, and basically pools are a good place to learn how to roll.
How do you feel after accomplish the role?
I feel good. I feel good after accomplishing the roll. I feel like I accomplished something.
So are you going to keep trying?
I'm gonna try until I get it like steady.
Stay there, stay there. Hold your hand. Kick, kick.